In this tutorial, we're going to learn about Dolly Effect and Vertigo Effect. They're also known by a number of other names, but those are the most popular: Dolly Effect and Vertigo Effect. They're used in a number of movies, and they started. Alfred Hitchcock was the first one who actually invented the effect. What you have is you have an actor standing, and you would have the camera on a dolly, and you would have the camera moving backwards and zooming in at the same time. It would give an effect like the background is moving in and the actor is staying still. The background is moving in and the actor is staying still. It gives it a really, really cool effect. I tried doing it on my own here. In this video here, I'll show you here. Mute the track. It worked for just a few seconds. I was doing it on my microphone. I would have the camera, my Sony camcorder. I was holding the camcorder in, and then I would start backing away slowly, as smooth as I could, back away, and zooming in at the same time. This is the effect I got. It works for just a few seconds and then you can see it working. The Dolly effect working. It works for a few seconds and then it stops. Let's try it again. Right there it's working. It's working right now. And then it stops. It's very subtle. So let's delete this stuff here. But there's a way you can do it. You can cheat and do it a way where you don't have to actually do it with the camera. So what you need is footage zooming in and a character. I had a hard time finding a character. All I found was a green screen of a photographer. So let's go to Video Effects. Chroma key here. OK. Click on the blue. Color picker. Key out the green. Now, what's going to happen is watch what happens here. This looks really, really cool. This is cheating at the effect, but it gives the same effect. Watch it again. That's a way of cheating. So what you could do is, if you have a green screen, take a green screen shot of yourself and go outside, use your camera and zoom in to a building. And then bring those clips in Vegas. Have the building on one clip, your face on another clip, and zoom in. And just do exactly what we're doing here. Put the keyframe on top, and then zooming at a clip at the bottom, and then just do exactly what I just finished doing here. And you'll achieve the same effect. I've seen a number of Vegas tutorials where people are trying to create the Dolly effect or the Vertigo effect in Vegas with ordinary footage, but it doesn't work. It doesn't work at all. You have to do it this way. And what I'll do, there's an excellent video on it. I want you to watch. When you get the time, watch it. It's in the link is in the description box below the video. This video here. It explains it. It's short, but it gives you lots of information on the Dolly effect. The Dolly effect is a really, really cool effect when it's pulled off properly. And in this video, he actually does it on a dolly and with a camera that has an automatic zoom. It's hard to do on a camera like a DSLR, where you have to move the zoom manually. It's more effective, or more it does a better quality job having a zoom that moves automatically. You hold the button down and it zooms in or zooms out, whichever effect you want. So this is all you have to do a Dolly effect in Vegas. If you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching.